Welcome, beautiful people, to my channel. It's your girl Positive Vibes Des, better known as Des Bless or just Destiny. And I wanted to welcome you back to a video. And today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am going to be bringing you guys along with me on my trip to Santorini in Athens. And in part one, I'll be giving you guys room tours and showing you how I spent my birthday. I'm relaxing and enjoying. So here in this first clip, this is my flight from Athens to Santorini, and just want to give you guys a nice view and show you how densely populated, particularly in the city of Athens, it is, and it was quite a beauty to see. So stay tuned, and most of this video will be a voiceover, so I hope that you guys enjoy and take in the beauty of Santorini, Greece. In this clip here, it's us coming into Santorini, and it gives you such a great view of the whole entire island from start to finish. And as you can see that there's like so many different buildings all over the place. Here I wanted to zoom in and show you the stairs of death. All those zigzags are stairs, guys, and make sure you stay tuned. This part right here is the volcano that is in the middle of the caldera. Also took an excursion over there, and I'll be sure to insert video and clips of that. But in this area, I wanted to show you that like not all of the hotels are on the cliffs, on the mountains, or like right overviewing the water, but that doesn't take away from the beauty of the hotels, because the ones that are just like on land are just as nice. So I just wanted to give you some views of what you would see on land driving through the island, and it's just beautiful. Most of the roads are cliffside, not all of them, but even in driving, the views are breathtaking. So on this trip, I stayed in 2 hotels, and the next clip I will be giving you a room tour of the first hotel. And a lot of the hotels in Santorini, the room sizes are pretty small, but you can see that they're all very beautiful. We're in lucky room number 5, and as you enter, we're welcomed with some fruits and wine, and we have our couch area here. It's not much to the room, but you still get a nice little setup. And here's your bedroom, and everything is pretty cool. This is a steam room. Has the capability to go as hot as you want it to. And here we have our little sink, toilet, and then back to the room. Now, the best part is usually the views, and being that it's nighttime, we're not gonna have a great view, but here is the outside. You get 2 lounging chairs, a nice table. The ocean you won't be able to see, but I'll be sure to take a video during the day. And then we have our own little plunge private pool. That's all to ourselves. Breakfast Santorini style. In this clip here, I just wanted to share with you guys my fun experience riding on the ATVs, which was our mode of transportation for our duration of the trip. And as you can see, I'm over here living my best life, handling this ATV perfectly, and I'm super focused, but it was amazing. And if you have the energy, the chutzpah to use ATVs, I definitely would recommend using ATVs or the moped bikes as a way of getting around, because you get to see so much more with that mode of transportation. Moving along, I am showing you the glimpse of our second hotel. Our hotel where we're staying in Santorini, one of the hotels in which we stayed. Very nice views. We just came from a hot tub, and if you go over here from the hotel entrance, you have the great view. All these hotel rooms are cave style. And straight from the pool, just like that, you're at the ocean. Full of Santorini. The Microvilli, or the highest point on the island. And just to mention, both of the hotels in which we stayed were considered one of the smaller hotels, and what makes it a small hotel is that it only has a handful of rooms or villas on the property. And that little pathway that you see behind me is the path to get to like the main road. So this was definitely off the beaten path hotel, but as you can see, the rooms are amazing. You got even little areas where you can sit back there. Beautiful little butterfly. And we have 3 rooms here, but we are lucky. Number 1. We go up these stairs, and we have this nice little lounge area, which I've collected some flowers to decorate. And this is your view. Let's go there. This is one of the cool features of the room. We have this swing that you can sit on and just chillax. So I'm going to demonstrate for you guys on this lovely swing. Swing, catching some breeze, and having a good time. It leads to our room. So as you enter the room, you'll see that we have a little coffee station where we had a breakfast most of the time, and then as you go in, you have your bed, your TV, very standard, pretty straightforward. As you notice that it's a very dome shape because this is a hotel that was built into a cave. And from the bedroom, you have these stairs to go down to your bathroom area. All these lights, all these fixtures are all built in into a cave. Here we have a little closet for all of our needs, our toilet, again showing you everything is cave style. Here's our tub, again everything built in the cave, and our sink area. And one thing about Santorini is their architecture is amazing, so if you're into that, I would suggest that you go to Santorini to get some inspo. So I wanted to take a little minute to pause right here, get a drum roll going, and say cheers as I reveal to you the best part of the room, which is our in-suite cave pool that you can enter in right from the inside of your room. And again, just showing you how the cave style, the archery and all of that is built into the pool. So you come right from our bathroom area right into the pool. You can also enter this pool from the outside as soon as you come through our courtyard gate. And again, you enter from the outside, and with this L shape you can enter right into our room. So here I just wanted to show you how I was enjoying our lovely pool and just going for a dip, going for a swim. And there's jets in this pool, and it's a heated pool, and it's lovely. So this L shape here you see me breaking out a random dance. It was my birthday, so I was enjoying the fruits of my labor and the blessings that I was receiving by being here in Santorini, enjoying the beautiful pool. My birthday was a day of relaxation. I really didn't do much throughout the day. Got a massage, enjoyed the pool, the hot tub, and went for dinner, and that was it. And for me, that was enough because I was in such paradise. And again, that machine you were hearing was a balloon machine, and in this next clip you'll see why my husband was using it to surprise me with these decorations. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Again, random song and dance, but I wanted to give you views from the hot tub from the hotel and just taking in the beauty, the sun, and all of its goodness. So I wanted to give you guys a whole panoramic view of our vantage point from the hot tub, which you'll see here, and again, just enjoying it. And in this other clip, I left this one in here particularly because I wanted you guys to see all the boats that pass through the caldera and just how beautiful it is. And of course, the boats are actually not moving that fast, and this clip is sped up, so that's why it looks like the boats are moving fast, but you'll see it's like at least 3 boats in the water. Now, what is a trip to Santorini without watching the sunset? And this is something that we try to do almost every day, and it is the most beautiful thing you will see, and so peaceful, so relaxing. It gives you opportunity to really reflect on the blessings of life. As I mentioned earlier in the video, my birthday was very chill, very relaxed. Didn't really do much, and in the process of getting ready and preparing for dinner, I did not have any time to record, so I don't have any footage of me getting ready or any footage of the actual outing during the evening. But I want to give you guys a quick clip of our appetizers for our dinner. It looks a little crazy, but I tell you, it was the best. And one thing about Santorini and Greece in general, their food is fresh and amazing and so light. Being that I wasn't able to give you guys any footage of my birthday dinner, here's some pics of my overall birthday shoot. And FYI, those number marquees were DIY, done by me. And if you guys want to see a video on how I do that, be sure to comment down below and I'll drop a video for you guys. So I wasn't able to get everything from my trip jam-packed in this video, so be sure to stay tuned for part 2, where I give you guys all the deets about our excursion, and I'm gonna give you the true tea behind these stairs of death and what that experience was like. Thank you guys for watching, and do know that I am always wishing you peace, love, and light.